Kenji, what do you think about $3 orders? You guys ever get into your car or are just so distracted with something and then you realize you've been listening to static for the last like 5 minutes? So basically I got into my car and I've been trying to get a dash for the last few minutes. I finally got one. It's 2:30 or 2:48 right now, so it's not exactly a very good time to be trying to get a DoorDash order. But I am going to the gym right now. Had lots of stuff to do. I got everything done earlier in the morning. It was raining. It snowed in Las Vegas. Like, literally, just check this out. Everywhere. Snow. Everywhere. Look at that. There's just snow everywhere. Alright, I suppose you couldn't really see the snow because it's kind of hard to see the snow through all that rain. But if you look around, the camera does no justice. There's literally snow on all of the mountains here in Las Vegas, which is amazing. It's great. Like, oh my god, look at this. Hold on a sec. Look at that snow. Alright, welcome back to the Weather Channel. Just kidding. So today, I don't know why I'm so obsessed with the snow today. It's just amazing how low the snow is. Like, that's not even really a mountain. That's kind of like just a hill in Las Vegas. It's like the Anthem Henderson area, and it is completely covered in snow. It's amazing. It's so amazing that I completely forgot what the topic of this video was. Crap. Be right back. Now I remember what it was. Double orders are on the move. They're taking over. It's like the double order takeover. That's a good title for the video, actually. So basically all of yesterday, even like during the daily dash, we got tons of double orders right up front, and I turned down a ton of them. We did one on the daily dash, then I did another one. It was a single order, and then for the rest of the day, because I did DoorDash from around like 5 to 8 or so at night, I only got double orders for the rest of the night. Then this morning I logged in for just a little bit to see if I would get a dash on the way to the gym. I didn't end up going, but all I got was double orders, and they were all crappy. And I'm like wondering what's up with this new like double order takeover. So comment down below, have you guys been getting like an insane amount of double orders in the last like 2 days? It used to be like I would get like 1 or 2 like for the entire day, but I've been just offered them like crazy, and there's more double orders right now than there was before. So I'm wondering if, like, clearly DoorDash did something to their algorithm to where now there's significantly more double orders than there was before. I don't know. I think it's a great thing, because personally, I always used to get excited when I would get a double order, because it's like, ooh, now there's no downtime and I get to make twice as much money. But sometimes the double, like, see, the thing is, like, I feel like statistically you're less likely to get a good double order as you are to get a single order, because a double order would require both of the orders to be good. You know, there's always that one that's in there that's not too good, but at the same time you make more money and you also have to do less thinking, because you just get I don't know, there's less downtime, you know, you're just working more often. And if you can make, usually I only accept a double order if it's like, let's see, I can't say that I took one for $10.75 the other day, and that's basically 2 $5 orders. Thank God one of them had a post tip, otherwise it wouldn't have been that good. But yeah, so I probably would always stay above 10, especially if you're picking up from 2 different restaurants. If you're picking up from just one restaurant, it's also pretty easy, you know, you're just driving around. I don't know, I'm not too mad about all the new double orders. It just makes everything more efficient, and I wonder what the root of this is. Is it the decline now movement? Are they screwing everything up for us? I don't know. Anyway, so I'll get right back to you guys. I'm going to try to not do a very, very long intro today before we get to the daily dash. We got a dash starting at 3:30, which is in 35 minutes in Green Valley. Driving over to the gym right now real quick. Be right back. Oh, before we get this video started, smash the like button like the snow. Another one. Alright, just got back to the car. Just left the gym. It is pouring rain really hard right now. It's kind of crazy because like what, 20 minutes ago when I got to the gym, it was almost sunny, you know. Now it's like literally completely pouring rain. But oh, see, this is where they get you. See, I just took this double order. One of these orders, aka this first one that I'm doing right here, let me show you what's messed up. See, this one, crap, focus. This one's $8.25. That means the other one is $3. So here's what we're gonna do. I don't know if I want to deliver a $3 order. I might pick up this Wingstop order and then decline the next one, or just pick it up and then cancel it, because I'm not trying to deliver a $3 order to someone. I don't care, DoorDash. If you're trying to be sneaky, I'm going around the system. That's not how this works here. You don't throw crappy orders on me, although I did know what I was getting myself into. I'm gonna do a little bit more research. I will get right back to you guys. All right, so check this out. DoorDash is not gonna like this one, but I'm going to pick up this Wingstop order, and then I'm going to cancel the next order because this Wingstop order is awesome. It's delivering to a house and everything, and then I just did a little bit more research on the other one to see like if it was convenient or not. It's on Las Vegas Boulevard, and it's to a hotel, and they have some pretty, like, I gotta go walk all the way up to their room and stuff. I was just looking at the notes for delivery drop-off. Sorry, Miss Amanda, that ain't happening for $3. I'm gonna take this Wingstop order though, and I'm gonna outsmart DoorDash a little bit right here. You know, I was just talking about how I like these orders, like doubling, but the problem is, you know, they always group one really crappy order with one good order. You know, if they were both $6 or so, or $6 and $5, I would probably do it. But the fact that one of these orders is only paying, I think that's $3 exactly, I ain't doing it. I'm sorry, that's not happening. All right, check this out. I didn't even know this was possible. That order, I don't know if you could see it, put it right here where it's focused, $2.75. Girl, you are crazy if you think that I'm gonna go drop off at a freaking hotel, walk all the way up to your room, pick up your food for $2.75. Not happening. I'm canceling this one. Let's see. So check this out. It only allows me, it's like, choose which order. And I'm like, Rita. Or I'm like, click on Amanda. And then it's either issue with store address or contact customer support. I'm trying to cancel the order right here. I wonder if I can. I'm not sure if there's like something wrong, but I literally cannot fucking, sorry for the cursing, I literally cannot cancel this order. But I'm not delivering for $2.75. I don't care. I don't care if I already accepted this order. I am not delivering that. No way. They're making it very difficult. I have to contact customer support to cancel this second order. That is so silly though. Can you believe that people even consider having someone drop off their food for $2.75? I'll be right back. I gotta get this taken care of because I am not picking that up. I have to call him.
Thank you for calling DoorDash.
I'm gonna record this conversation so you guys can hear what's up.
Gracias por llamar a DoorDash. Para continuar,
Please listen carefully as our menu options may have changed.
Not sure how much of this conversation
If
I'm
you
gonna
are
put
a
in the video.
customer, please.
hi, thank you for calling DoorDash. This is Anne. How can I help?
Hello, I need one of these orders that I'm currently on to be canceled, and it's not allowing me to do that on the platform.
Cancel one of your orders.
It's paying me $2.75. That is significantly lower than I would deliver someone's food for. And it did not give me these details before. And
Okay, I understand.
yeah. I already picked up one of the orders, but then it told me one of them's paying $2.75, and that is significantly below my standards of what I would deliver someone's food for.
Okay. Can I have the customer's name, planner?
Amanda?
Amanda. Okay, one moment.
Yeah, I have Rita's order from Wingstop already, but I'm sorry, but I cannot deliver someone's food for $2.75.
And I'm so sorry for this inconvenience that the guaranteed pay not that high. So allow me to check on this one. And since you mentioned that you're not able to proceed with this, I will be assigning you to the specific order center for you to proceed with your next dash. Okay?
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Not gonna lie, that was significantly easier than I thought it would be. I thought they were gonna try to talk me into delivering that, but that was crazy. It's unbelievable that they even would give someone an order for $2.75. Unbelievable. But I hate to be a complainer because I took the order and I was like, yeah, $11, but come on now. One of them's $2.75. I'm surprised it's that difficult. It used to not be that difficult to just cancel one of the orders and keep the other order. I've done it before, but that was significant. Like, I don't know why I had to call them. Anyways, all right. We're dropping off this order. It's actually conveniently perfectly on the way home and pays $8.75 for only a few miles. So that's good. It's almost like one customer is paying for the other person's order, though. You know what I'm saying? Like, no one's going to take that order. No one in their right mind is going to take that order from Amanda because it's paying $2.75. It's almost like Rita, the other lady who is ordering Wingstop, who's paying a very nice price for her food, is paying for the other girl to get her food. That's messed up, you know? Anyways, alright. Enough complaining. We outsmarted DoorDash today. Mission accomplished. It's interesting how this video turned out, because I was talking about these orders earlier, and then I got one, because this is what I've been getting all day. It's straight up all double orders. And, oh, she even gave me a post tip. Wow. A whole extra 50 cents. Yes. Yeah, interesting. So, I can't believe that, I don't know, I can't believe I got sucked into that one. But, on paper, it didn't look that bad, you know? It was like $11, like, I assumed one of them was $6 and one of them was $5. Kind of dumb of me to accept that order, but I guess I'm dumb sometimes, you know? I can't believe that, though. Someone would actually, I don't know, people have to, like, manually go there and select 0 tip, you know? That's messed up. Why would you not tip your driver? Some people. I hope that order takes forever for her to get it, you know? Anyways, I don't want to complain anymore. It's just funny how this video turned out, you know? First, DoorDash outsmarts me, and then I outsmart DoorDash, you know? They make it, it's funny that they make it really difficult to get rid of those orders, though, because they know what they're doing. They know it's a trap, you know? They're trapping you. They know what they're doing. But I know what I'm doing even better. Anyways, alright, so that's all we're going to do for today. Sorry today was a bit short. I got stuff I got to do. I got to go home and finish some business stuff. And I got another video that here's a $9 for 8 miles. Almost a good order, but I'm not going to take it. Because it's pretty far, and I kind of want to go home and get my stuff done. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys haven't yet, please consider subscribing to the channel and also smash the like button, because that helps out my channel a lot. And outsmarting DoorDash today. Sorry, today's video is kind of short. I just need to do stuff. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.